Hello students, today I am going to start your textbook Rainbow. It's a 12th chapter. It's taken from your Rainbow textbook, The Noble Nature. It's a poem. This poem is composed by Ben Jonson. The poet of this poem is Ben Jonson. Ben Jonson was born in 1573 and he was died in 1637. This poem is a short lyric composed by Ben Jonson. Look students, in this poem, the poet tells that what makes a man noble. What makes a man noble? In this poem, the poet compares a man to an steady oak and a delicate lily. In first stanza, the poet compares a man to an oak. In second stanza, a poet compares a man to a lily flower. Okay, so let's start the poem. It is not growing like a tree, it in bulk doth make men better be, or standing long an oak 300 years to fall a log, at last dry, wild and sere. A lily of a day is fairer far in May, although it fall and die that night. It was the planted flower of light. In small proportions we just beauty see, and in short measure life may perfect be. Hard words bulk large in quantity, wild without leaves, sere with third, proportion, ratio, measure, period. Look students, explanation. Students, in first stanza poet compares a man to an oak. So it is not growing like a tree, in bulk doth make man better be, or standing long an oak 300 years to fall a log, at last dry, wild and sere. In these lines the poet tells that what makes a man noble? What makes a man noble? In this stanza, the poet compares a man to a steady oak. The poet tells that growing physically like a bulky tree, or living long life like an oak, does not make a man noble. Or standing long an oak 300 years to fall a log, at last dry, wild and sere. A huge, long and old oak will become soon dry, wild and withered piece of log. At last the long, huge and old oak will become soon dry, wild and withered piece of log, such as in meaningless and unimpressive long life. In meaningless and unimpressive long life, like an oak, does not make a man noble. While in second stanza, a lily of a day is fairer far in May. A lily of a day. A flower of lily has a short span of life, has only one day life, is fairer far in May. It blooms in month of May, is fairer and looks very beautiful. Fairer means beautiful. It looks very beautiful and it has a short span of life, although it fall and die that night. Here the poet says that although it fall, the lily flower fall and die by nightfall. Fall and die by nightfall. A lily of flower lives a very short life, lives only a one day life. It was by fall night, it falls and die by nightfall. It was the planted flowers of light. Here the poet tells that the lily flower is the flower of light. Flower of light. In small proportions we just beauty see. It has a small lifespan, but it is spread beauty and delight everywhere. It is spread beauty and delight everywhere, and in short measure life may perfect be. And in short measure, and a short lifespan, it lives a meaningful life. Life may be perfect. The life of a lily is may be perfect. It is perfect. Such as short life full of heroic and virtuous deeds, like the lily's life. If any man's life full of heroic and virtuous deeds, like a lily flower, it makes a man noble. It makes a man noble. And it can be perfect. And life may be perfect. Even you have a short life, but it should be perfect. It can be perfect, like a lily flower's life. Okay, look students, it is not growing like a tree. In this line, the poet used a simile figures of speech. Students, look the rhymes of the poem. Tree, bee, year, seer, day, May, night, light, sea, we,